everyone. Today we are going to talk about the sewage treatment system. Every day we humans generate waste. A major component of this waste is the human excreta. And this municipal wastewater is also known as sewage. Sewage in itself contains large amount of organic matter and microbes. This urban waste produced in large quantities is disposed of by going under treatment in the sewage treatment plants, thus making it less polluting. The treatment of wastewater is done by heterotrophic microbes naturally present in the sewage. This treatment is carried out in two stages, the primary treatment and the secondary treatment. The primary treatment involves removal of particles physically, big and small, from the sewage through filtration and sedimentation. The filtration first takes place in the first tank, where the large particles are removed, followed by the sedimentation process taking place in the second tank, where the grits and sand are removed. The following of the sewage or the wastewater is made to go into the third tank, where the primary sludge formation takes place and the supernatant and efflux are formed above. The primary supernatant or the efflux is then made to go into the aeration tank, where it is constantly agitated with pumped air. This constant agitation allows vigorous growth of useful microbes in the form of flocks. Flocks are basically masses of bacteria and fungi forming a mesh-like structure. The microbes grow in the organic substance present in the tank and consumes majority of it. This significantly lowers the BOD or the biochemical oxygen demand, which is very much required in lower levels for the release of the wastewater into the environment. The sewage treated in the aerobic chamber until the BOD is reduced cannot be released, as we have talked about. After the sufficient BOD level decrease, it is then sent into the secondary treatment in the secondary sedimentation tank. Here, the flocks or the sediment forms the active sludge. The activated sludge then goes into the digester chamber, where it is also known as the anaerobic digester chamber. As the name aptly prompts, the anaerobic bacteria works on the flocks, and this process leads to the formation of sludge and biogas. The biogas is released and sent into another processing chambers, where it is later used in our kitchens and by our cars. Whereas the sludge that is produced after the digestion is called as digested sludge, which produces locally used manures in our own agriculture industries. The second sedimentation tank also has the efflux, or known as the clean waste, which is then released into the rivers, because now it is on a safe level BOD, which is then able to go into the environmental processes. As such, our sewage treatment system takes place. Thank you.